Okay. Um, my name is Sherry. I'm the Aggie Engineer Deluxe, and I'm going to talk a little bit about my mentoring experience. Um, we try and get together every Thursday for about an hour or a little over. And we've tried Second Life a couple times, and I was sharing this earlier during our kind of messing around time while we're waiting for Jerry. But my mentee is definitely better at it than I am. But the last couple times, we usually try it about every third week, and we keep not being able to connect with each other. But Chris is going to help us with that next time. We mostly do Skype. My favorite thing about Skype, and we use it a lot, is the screen share feature. So what we do sometimes we usually spend about 20 minutes. We talk through her classes and things she, might could have done differently on tests and stuff like that. And then or just how her life's going. And then we go through Skype. We pull up the Breakthrough website and we go through some of the tutorials for test taking strategies and stuff like that. Some of them, we kind of have a good time making fun of some of them, like laying down and doing deep breaths right before a test or something. Like you could do that in a classroom, but that goes pretty well. She's also interested in Gwinnett Tech, so we pulled up. We did share screen on Skype, and we pulled up and we looked at the different programs, and maybe looked at what could a sample schedule look like her first year, and we pulled up the money to see how much it would cost, and went to the Georgia College website to find out about costs of 2-year schools versus 4-year schools, and just kind of thinking ahead a little bit. She's a junior, so she still has time. She's not really interested in a 4-year degree, so we've mostly stayed on the community college level. But it's been really good. She's a wonderful person and just has such a good attitude and such a good outlook, and I've really enjoyed getting to know her. And at first, I think we were both a little shy, but now we both talk all the time. So it's like the time. It seemed like an hour took forever, and now it just flies by.
Well, that's it was great. Like that with Meg too. Time usually flies by whenever I talk to her because she's so good to interact with, and plus we basically almost have the same views on school and other things like in testing and stuff.
Mm-hmm. Noelle, Greg, and I really believe that the mentoring relationship is the heart of the Breakthrough Project, and it's really good to hear how successful and how close and the type of relationship that you have developed with your student and those students with your mentors. So that's very encouraging.